Good morning folks, we're on another morning walk and just look how things have grown. So it's all closing up now. And if we look behind, lady's taking Catherine for a walk. How things have changed. All the leaves are out, we've got bits of blossom. It's very windy today folks, and it's over 10 degrees colder than yesterday, so I've got to be a bit careful with the recording in case you get a lot of wind noise. Catherine?
Yeah.
Is this that cow parsley?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I thought it was. Yes. Very similar to that giant hogweed when it's in its early growing spell, and which is really nasty stuff. So Henry's up ahead. The birds have gone asleep.
I think it's the wind.
I don't think they like the wind, folks, and they like the sunshine.
All these flower houses.
Yeah, these. Just look up there, folks. Conker tree. Oh, lady's trying to push by. Here's Henry. Henry, say hello to the camera. There you are. Yes, you're a good boy, aren't you? Good boy. You see all these green bits on the floor, folks? They're seeds from the trees above. They come down like little helicopters. Which way do you want to go, Catherine?
Let's go over the field.
Yeah, okay. Are you alright with lady?
Yeah. So she's the
Yeah. I painted the bird table yesterday.
Oh, did they?
Yes, and I cut down one of these self-seed trees what were in the garden.
Yeah.
And I've stretched it across between the birdhouse and one of the feeders to give like a natural perch.
Yeah.
And then I hang some things off it, so that I'm hoping that I'll be able to, when I can get some feed for them, get some nice photos and video.
Yeah.
I really enjoy this half an hour in the morning, just admiring the views and smelling the odours from the blossoms. It's wonderful. Not so fun for the wind because we miss the bird sounds and
the midges.
yeah, midges don't bother me. They tend to stay away from me. But Catherine suffers from them. I think they stay away from me because I don't use any perfumery or anything that smells. You've got to have a neutral cleaning method. It's the same with mosquitoes. They're always attracted to I don't know what the real word is. What would you say? Not perfume.
I don't know.
Scented.
Yeah.
A couple of wind turbines over there, folks. I think they're private ones. There's quite a few of those popping around. I do think they spoil the countryside. Nigel says they're not viable means of power, so I don't know. No, but Nigel's involved in these, you know, I don't know what you call them, discussion groups and that, and he knows, he says they're just not, they're not worth the money.
No.
They don't bring enough in.
No, it doesn't have a lot.
Yeah. It was interesting yesterday to hear on the news about rabbits, and there's a big decline in them over here. Originally we had myxomatosis, what was introduced to kill off a lot. Then they introduced some other disease or whatever in the 80s apparently, and I think it causes the animals to break down in bleeding. It's a hemorrhagic, I can't think, you know what I mean, folks. So and that's what's been killing them all off. That's why there's not many around.
Somebody introduced that disease then, or?
It was brought in on purpose, I believe, to cool the rabbits, because myxomatosis.
Yeah, that was done before.
Yeah, they weren't going into the boroughs or whatever. Some of them were lying outside, and therefore it wasn't working so well. But apparently it's still out there, and it does still kill them. But
oh yeah, I saw one a couple of years ago.
yeah,
and it was so
terrible.
slow, and that's
I know, horrible death. Trouble is, with the decline of them, it's causing problems to the ecosystem, because they rely on the rabbits to keep the grass and that down in certain places, and that's then affecting some of the certain types of songbird, which are now becoming rare, because they need the very short grass to you know, to have their nests on. And then of course it goes basically all down the chain. Oh. You're right. Oh, wow. Leave it if you can't. No. If you can't see it, then yes, a good boy. Lady's a good girl. Yeah. Oh, we've got a bird. While I'm filming, folks, if any of you spot a house martin or a swallow, let me know. I keep forgetting to have a keen eye for them this year, and I've not seen any yet.
We saw some the other night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, we normally celebrate.
Oh, they were swift. I can't remember.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean.
Tiny,
Oh,
the tails.
yeah.
Cutting them.
Oh, I'll have to keep it an eye out for them.
They were down that lane when you go towards the mill.
Oh right, okay. Yeah.
You can have a little bit of a run. Yeah, definitely. Okay, come on. Come on, you two.
Where's she going? For those of you who aren't UK based or have never been to the UK, over here we have a national network of footpaths, public footpaths that go across fields, public land, and they're all signposted pretty well.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, lady. Oh, lady. Come on, have a look. Is that good? Is that good?
Ah,
That's just hemorrhaging from
there she's drying herself off now, folks. You're not stupid, are you, lady?
Go in the grass. Go and dry yourself off in the grass.
Yeah. She's loving it, isn't she?
Yeah.
She knew where that water was though, didn't she?
Got my nose for it.
Yeah. Like a galloping horse.
Right, this way, come on. You're underneath now. Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
There you, hang on. We're back on the path, back to where the ducks are, folks. When I mention about you and Henry, you know, lady goes mad.
Does she?
Yeah, she knows.
Oh,
Yeah.
they know the names, don't
They do, yeah. Yeah.
Come on then. Come on, let's go see the ducks.
All gone now, folks. There's one mallard here. One drake, sorry. What I can see clearly at the minute. Haven't they grown, folks? Just look at the size of them. Amazing. Didn't take them long. How she ever brought these all up, I just do not know, because we've watched them right from babies and all. There's 15 of them. Okay.